Rise. All right. So let's see how the first, for the better and the best, until them hard work that are the key to success. Now come here so we chill, and make them know the prophecy you will have to fulfill. Then come to prophesy, and burn out all the traitor them and burn out all the spy. And rise up with the truth, and still come to motivate the youth. Alright, them wonder how we do it and survive. Them wonder how we do it and stay alive. Them wonder how we do it and survive. I through the cleanest how we are and true when I go compromise. Them wonder how we do it and arise. Them wonder how we do it and survive. Them wonder how we do it and we still stay alive. And the cleanest how we are make we survive. Alright, it's not about the vanity, it's not about the fame. Longevity, that is the name of the game. You have to know how to claim and know to reclaim. Well, righteousness, me say we have to come proclaim. Have to manifest. Well, righteousness, they get to use them on the stress. Rise above the sea and give a lot of praises to His Majesty. Rise above the grudge until them know them out, them must carry some love. Then come to prophesy and burn out all the traitor and the spice. So me say, it's not about your buckle and it's not about your belt. It's not about your vanity, it's not about your wealth. It's not about your counter and it's not about yourself. It's all about the others and it's all about yourself. It's all about your links and no one else. It's not about your dollars and it's not about your cent. It's all about a clean and a clear conscience. The prophecy me say makes sense. Yo!